In this fifth demonstration, we're actually going to show kiosk mode, that is going in and out of kiosk mode. We actually did show this in the previous demonstration, but we'll just reiterate it here so that you can know the difference between the two options. So we had come in previously in the previous demo and we had set up our kiosk options. And again, this is for a more elegant setup where we're using prepared artwork for the greeting and finish screen. But when we go into kiosk mode, you'll notice that there's two options. First one is called unlocked kiosk mode, and this is helpful for when you're doing setup and you're just kind of testing things, because it allows the virtual buttons, that is these here, the go back button, the home button, and the application list button, all at the bottom. So this left hand triangle is the back button, the circle is the home button, and the square one is will display all the applications that are running. If we came in, and I'm not going to do it now only because it locks down the application, but there is an option called lock kiosk mode. And if you use lock kiosk mode, those virtual buttons are no longer active. And we do that so that you can lock down the kiosk so people can't bounce in and out of the application, and so that they can't come back and actually see the data that's been entered. The one thing that we'll mention here, and we'll also kind of show it when we go through a little bit more information on your physical kiosk options in a later training. But when you set up the kiosk, you're going to want to do something physical to the setup to mask out the virtual buttons here and the notification bar that's up at the top. When we set up our commercial deployments, we found that black electrical tape actually works quite well for this. We've also found that you can acquire sheets of black vinyl that have a sticky background that you can cut to your specific tablet, such that it will mask out these buttons. But again, we found that black electrical tape works quite nice. The other thing that is worth mentioning here is that we also can lock down the application using something called Android application pinning, and we do cover that in a more advanced topic training module and demonstration that will be coming up here in just a few minutes. So with that, we'll exit this video, this training demonstration, and we'll move on to the next topic.